In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple pages in DocHub. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. Once the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link to go to the official website. From there, sign into your account so you can access your documents and editing tools. After you're signed in, you'll land on the dashboard. This is where your files are stored and where you can open documents for editing. Go ahead and open the PDF you want to work on. Make sure it's the correct file before continuing, especially if you're planning to remove several pages at once, because deleting pages can affect the overall structure of the document. With the PDF open, look at the top toolbar. On the far left side, click the Page Controls icon, which is represented by 4 small squares. This will open the Page Thumbnail sidebar, where you can see all the pages in your document displayed as smaller previews. This panel is important because it gives you a clear visual overview of the PDF and lets you select pages more efficiently. Now it's time to choose the pages you want to delete. If you're using Windows, press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, then click each page thumbnail you want to remove. This allows you to select multiple pages one by one without losing your previous selections. If you're using a Mac, the process is almost the same. Press and hold the Command key, shown as the symbol Command, and then click each page thumbnail you want to remove. As you click, the selected pages should become highlighted, which helps confirm that the correct thumbnails are selected. Take a moment here to double-check your selection before deleting anything. This is especially helpful when the pages are not next to each other, since it's easy to accidentally include the wrong one. Once all the unwanted pages are highlighted, click the trash can icon at the bottom of the sidebar panel to delete them. You may also be able to right-click one of the selected thumbnails and choose Delete Page or Delete Pages depending on what appears in the menu. If DocHub asks you to confirm the deletion, go ahead and confirm it. After that, the selected pages will be removed from your PDF. And that's it. That's how to delete multiple pages in DocHub quickly and accurately. If you follow these steps carefully and review your selection before confirming, the process is simple and efficient.